Hi everyone, it's Lorie and welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well today. So today we are going to work some more in our Cozy Cashmere Shabby Chic Journal, if you will. So if you remember last time, we got the signature sewed in. So here is our cover, front and back, and we used Sorry to actually sew in the signature. So this is what it looks like in the middle of the signature. As you know too, we had a couple of bumps in the road, but we were able to work those out. So I thought today we would actually sit this aside somewhere. We're sitting it aside, and we are going to, I think, go ahead and work on shabby chicing up these pockets right here. I think is what we're going to do today. Yep, what do we need? Yep, the ephemera. Alright, and I got lots of goodies out here to the side of me, guys, left and right. Now, let me get that journal cover back. Now, I pulled out two of my shabby chic bows. Oh, come here, journal. Okay, so this, I don't really like that color with that. So that one's out. But I was wondering how that might look, and looking at it, I'm not so sure that I like that. Kind of covers up my applique here too much. Okay, so those are out. We're going to toss those back over there in their basket. Alrighty. Just thought I would take a peek see. Probably should have peek see before I started the camera, but you know. Alright, so probably going to be a super quick video, guys. I got out all kinds of goodies over here, and then our other stack of goodies here. So we have out plenty of goodies if we want to use anything. I think we should have everything covered. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I think we may not even use any of that because we already have oh shucks, my chair went down. Hold on just a second, let me raise it back up. Ooh, felt like I was sitting on the floor. Yeah, so we're going to use some of these. So let's see what we have in all of this ephemera here. Maybe we could use a rose. And then, of course, we have our bows here. Those will be too long. Maybe those and those, maybe. Alright, and these are the journaling cards and stuff. Okay. So, let's get these back down in here. Maybe we can use a couple of the bows there to help us decorate these, and maybe some words. Okay, so we need scissors that I now have covered up, and I think I'm going to do a little bit of distressing. So let's go ahead and get this out. Alright, so here we go. I hope you're all doing well today, doing pretty good. It is, I am like mass filming back to back, mainly because I am really excited about working in and doing this journal. It's like I don't want to stop, and I am doing, I had told you guys, a little bit shorter videos in order to get ahead and get all of my videos done for my upcoming vacation. If you didn't catch that video, my husband and I, let's see, what is today? Today is Tuesday, like what, the 18th maybe? Something like that. Yeah, October the 18th. When I'm filming, am working tonight. Got meetings tomorrow, like out in Atlanta. Not looking forward to. However, just because of the traffic, not because it's a work meeting. Yeah, but Veronica is actually going to come up because I've told you guys before she works at the same company but a different location, and she is an assistant to my position as a department manager. And so her department leader wanted her to go, so she's actually going to come to my store and we're going to ride together. So that'll be nice to have her in the car with me and us going to that meeting together. Between the drive time, it's going to be more time outside the store. I am scheduled Wednesday to work 10 to 6 and the meeting is 1 to 5, so you know, we've got probably 2 hours plus of drive time. So yeah, do we want that in the middle maybe? Ooh, that'll look cute. Okay, that one and this one. That way we have one of the coffee dot like that and one of the, yeah, I think that'll be cute. And then we can find us a bling in the middle, and then we will figure out where to go from there. I'm thinking about putting lace behind it. And you guys, did I get out? Oh yeah, I have some lace here. Like putting white or lace behind there. Let's see what we have in here. What all do we have? Oh, we have that little piece. Okay, so that'll probably look good behind that one. It's nice to find scrappage to use, guys. Very, very nice. I'm not even sure what all we have down in here. Look, we have that little applique. Let's pull it out. And there's some seam binding down in there. Oh, I wonder if that would... That should go behind that one. How about that? Awesome. Okay. Oops. Alrighty. So, what do we need? First of all, we need to top that. I just re-inked it. I still have it out. Like a day or so ago, but yeah, I still have it out. Okay, so let's get our art glitter glue out for this. See about where we need or want that glue to go. And we can tuck a little under the ear and under the ear, just to pop her down a little bit. Alright, now our lace, just go maybe over here on this corner. Yep, we can do that. Alright, so I'm going to use this because that other PVA glue to me didn't seem to work out very well. Got glue all over that. So let's just do this. Come down through there. Oh yeah, that's cute. Yep, that's gonna look good. And we'll go right down through here. That way it's not coming up when we put something in that pocket. Taking it in and out. Let's see. The glue on the top of that. Okay, what do I need, guys? I need scissors. My eyes are itching today. They're not watering as bad, they're just itching. Okay. Alright, so we got that. Let's get a word out. How about we do blessed? See how it looks on there. Yep, very excited about vacation coming up. Can't wait. Are going to relax like there's no tomorrow. Like that on that side or this side? Oh, I like it on that side. Okay, so we're just going to put this on here, and it should seep through and hold our lace down. Hopefully. Okay. I think that's good. Glue on my mat there. Oh, that's cute. What do you guys think? I like it. Okay. So there is one pocket. So now let's get this one down here. There. Awesome. Alright, now this little piece of lace here. That is like the perfect size. Alright, so let's get glue here. That's gonna look cute. Get that down. Keep forgetting to put my lids on. Now we will cut this up through here. And down through there slightly. Cute. Ugh, probably don't need to lay that over. That glue is oozing out of there. It was doing it yesterday. Something awful. Okay, so do we just want this applique here, or do we not want the applique there? Let's see. I think I want another word. Like cozy. Right, get this cut out. Yeah, it's a little bit chilly here today, but I did have to go. I'm not sure if I told you, and put on a long sleeve shirt. It was a little chilly, but you know, the heat's fixed now, so that's good. We'll be ready for tonight. Actually, just talked to my husband and told him that, you know, I would allow him to turn the heat on tonight. He's like, oh, you would allow me? I'm like, yes. I think I will allow you. Okay, what do I want? I have this little piece that was left from the cover. It goes this way. Ooh, that would be cute. Okay, let's do that. sold. Put it on the opposite side. So since this is going straight down, I'm just going to use the art glitter glue on it. And then we can use the Fabri-Tac on that. To get it down. Hopefully, I probably should have filled it. I hadn't really been using the Fabri-Tac a lot, so I haven't paid much attention to the status of the amount in the bottle. That was just weird, but yeah. Alright. Alright guys, I know this is a super quick video, but the battery on my laptop is fixing to die, so I need to get her on charge, and I don't want it to die because, one, I would lose this video, and two, I'm in the middle of downloading one to YouTube, an earlier video, and I don't want to lose that download either. So, ooh, I got glue. Okay, I have to get a wet one. Yeah, just clean my mat. I think I got hot glue and everything else on it. Alright guys, so there is our 2 pockets for today. Since we just did these 2 pockets, I'll probably go ahead and do 2 more pockets, this pink one and either this one or that one, on my own, so when we come back we can move on to the next thing. Thank you all so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. If you came over just to check out my channel and you have not yet subscribed, I really hope you would consider doing so. I would really appreciate it. Make sure to hit that notification bell so that you will get notified whenever I post a video. Also, smash that like button and leave me a super quick comment. It's a great way you can support my channel. Head on over to my Etsy shop. Do have some journals and other goodies in there. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.